Yeah, so what to do? I got a home air conditioning filter that is the wrong size. It's a non-standard size. So this is like 14.5 inches by 30. I don't know who made this receiver, but I got to make a filter that'll fit it. So what I got is I got a new filter, 18 by 30. As you can see, I'm a little shy of that. So what I'm going to do is get a magic marker and make a line and cut it down to size. Let me show you what I'm going to do. So yeah, here we are. I've got the new filter, and I've dotted a line down with a magic marker to be the right size. Now I'm just going to cut right down through there with a sharp pair of scissors. So there you go. I've made this cut all the way down through the filter to the exact dimension that I need, see? Now what I got to do is I've got to trim off, remove the excess filter, and tape the thing back together. So I pulled a piece of filter away from the end cap and discard that. And so now I've got a cardboard end to my resized filter. Now all I got to do is mash them back up. So here's my new completed filter. It's no longer 18 by 31, it's about 14.5 by 30. But now it's the right size for my odd shaped return. So we're all finished with the finished product here. Filter as good as can be done right here. And here you got the AC Cowboy coming back at you. Thanks for watching.